Hi, I'm Gil, and welcome to Inside the Box, where we unpackage right here with you some very cool fly fishing and other outdoor gear. Today, we're going to have a look at Korkers Wet Wade Conversion Kit, as well as their neoprene eye drain wading socks. We're going to give you our feedback in regards to features, functions, and overall first impressions right out of the box. Having a look at the neoprene eye drain sock, right off the bat, these are super light, very thin compared to other neoprene socks, and they have this drainage layer on the bottom that I have not seen in any other products. I think this is going to be really good at keeping your feet dry in between holes. No one likes having soggy feet where they're wading, which is exactly what these are supposed to fix. Korkers Wet Wading Insoles are EVA foam perforated insoles that you trim to fit your feet and then you slide into your wading boots. They are supposed to be paired with Korkers eye drain neoprene wading socks. These are 3.5 millimeter neoprene wading socks with gravel guards that you wear instead of waders. Pairing these two products allow you to utilize traditional wading boots to wet wade comfortably. The Wet Wade insoles are priced at $35 US, $47 Canadian, and 32 euros for our European friends. Korkers eye drain neoprene guard socks are priced at $56 US, $76 Canadian, or 51 euros for our European friends. You can find these products at any Korkers dealer or by clicking on the link in the description below. Thanks for watching today's video on Korkers Wet Wade Conversion Kit and Korkers neoprene eye drain wading socks. I'm Gil with MIDCURRENT, and we'll catch you in the next video.